Hey friends, Matthew Barbie with Perfect Company. Let me take a moment and show you my favorite feature of Perfect Bake, and I don't say that lightly. And that feature is the portion meter. The reason this feature is really great is because let's say you're making cupcakes or maybe a 3-layer cake or even cookies, you're going to want to divide the batter evenly. That way everything comes out the same and bakes up. You don't want to get one little cupcake and then one big cupcake. This way you get perfect cupcakes, perfect cookies every single time. So we have some vanilla cupcakes here. We have our portion meter right here. So you've gone through and you've beat everything and mixed everything and your batter's all ready to go. So you come to your portion meter. So you set your cupcake tin right on the scale, zero it out just like that. And you got your batter all ready to pour. And we start to pour our batter. And look, in real time, you'll see the portion meter start to filling up, and you get to the black line and you're good to go. Just zero that out one more time. And you're right onto your second cupcake. Same thing, pouring, 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 filling up, filling up. Here we go. Get to the green bar, there's the black line, perfect portion every time. And just one more time, here it goes. Three perfect cupcakes, all exactly the same. Now you just go through and fill up the rest of your tin, zero this out. When that's all done, pull those off the scale, those go in the oven. So yeah, you'll bake those off for about 18 minutes, and that's the beauty of using the portion meter. Every cupcake is going to bake up exactly the same, and you'll have perfect cupcakes every single time. So that's how the portion meter works with cupcakes, but it also works with cookies. But let me show you another great way to use the portion meter. So if you go here into your profile, now it's possible for you to set up the scale to automatically zero out in between each cookie. So just hit your settings button, then you'll see this portion auto zero. It's been disabled, that's the default. So I just move the slider over to about 2 seconds. That's a good time in between cookies. Give you enough time to make adjustments if you need to. Go back to my browse screen. Here we go, select my cookies. And actually select the cookies, there it goes. Now we hit bake. So again, here we are. You put all the bowls in there, you've dry mixed, you've mixed everything together, creamed that butter, and you're ready to go. Got your dough all set. So here's your portion meter, 18-gram portion. And you set your cookie sheet right on the scale. And watch this, 3, 2, 1, 0, all by itself. Ta-da! So now we're ready to start portioning out our cookies. So we get a little scoop of dough here, bring it on over, put it on the sheet. Now that's a little big, so just take a moment, take a little bit off, put it back on. That's a little under, add a little bit there. And there it is, your 18 grams, perfect portion. Now, so we just do that a few more times. And we get our next scoop of dough, put that on there. Still a little bit big, pull a little bit off. And there I got 2 exact cookies. Perfect portion. And here we go, it's gonna auto zero, there it goes. Third one, here we go. Still a little big, take a little chunk off. Bam, 18 grams, auto zero, last guy. And look at that, right on the line, 4 exact cookies. So then you just keep doing that till you portion out all your cookies. So that's why the portion meter is a really great feature. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect day.